Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Garageband and picking an empty project or the Ringtone template so you get correct sample settings. Import or record the audio by dragging a file into a new track or hitting record. This gets your material into timeline quickly. Once in, trim to under 30 seconds using the cycle region to select the exact snippet. This ensures iPhone compatibility. Make sure to set tempo and key only if you'll time stretch or pitch shift later. Now you refine. Split where phrases start and end, add short fades so the ringtone doesn't click, and adjust gain so peaks stay below 0 dB. This prevents distortion. If needed, apply light EQ or compression to make the sound punchy on phone speakers. Subtlety matters. When satisfied, select the region and choose Share Export Ringtone or Bounce to AAC in the project. Exporting the exact selection ensures the clip length and format meet iPhone requirements. Finally, add the ringtone to your iPhone by renaming the exported file to M4R if needed, then use Finder or iTunes to sync it to your device. This makes it appear under ringtones. Once synced, go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics Ringtone and pick your new tone. If it doesn't show up, make sure the file is under 30 seconds, properly named M4R, and that you sync the correct library. Re-export from Garageband if format or length was wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.